decided to put on makeup to see how well this makeup's going to hold up in the water sports. And I'm getting shocked. Alright, let's check this out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see real well, but the makeup's held up pretty well. Stay tuned to the end to find out which foundation this is. Well, 5 o'clock, I hope you can hear me. The makeup test. It's looking pretty good. I'll tell you what it is. Almost 7 o'clock. Eyeshadow pretty much stayed on. Blush, bronzer, foundation, lipstick I had to reapply. But not bad. So this makeup held up pretty well. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible. So that's what this is. This is the foundation and the powder. Now I don't know, I don't think the powder probably stayed on. And then I use NARS blush and bronzer, which like all this is gone, but I kind of still see it here. I don't know if you can see, but I had to reapply lipstick, but that happens. But yeah, pretty good. Eyeshadow is from Makeup Forever. It's their classic look that I always wear. And of course, Anastasia Beverly Hills on my eyebrows. That's about it. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like. And to see more upcoming adventures, subscribe. And follow me on social media.